on this episode, I will be taking us through my review on USDJPY and the expansion to the upside that happens. I think yesterday. It's completed yesterday. So first of all, I always advise that we should make sure that our trend is aligned. Once the trend is aligned, once the structure of the market is aligned, then the rest is what I think. I posted this at our Telegram channel like on the 9th. I think I was seeing something like this. So that does not mean when you spot out something like this, then you execute from this time frame. So first of all, from the weekly, we were seeing that we were on a bullish momentum. You can see. Where's this thing? You can see that we are on a bullish momentum. So that's why I always tell us that the trend is your friend. Once you are aligned with the trend, you see a break construction. So market value, this is the higher time, this is the weekly time. So if you go lower, you see something else. You see something. So we are still expecting market to push up. So that is that. Let's go to the main business. How I spotted my buys on what on USDJPY. So you can see closely here from this candlestick formation. We got a sweep, and this eye was standing. Then let me take off all these things. That's where you see this all these things here. This time is it time range? I think it's time range. You see all those things here, they are our friends. This inverter, they are our friends. Let me say you see everything for here. You call it ignore some. Sometimes check what is happening in this time frame to check what is aligned with what you are doing. So we got a sweep. Even with that after that, see you can see a sweep yourself. Another sweep yourself. This is candlestick formation sweep. Yeah. Let's see. So let's just continue. Now, where was our recent breakout? You can see I'll find our recent breakout to the upside. Remember, this is a buy formation, this is a buy structure. So what are you going to be looking at for our most recent breakout to the upside? So this is it. One. This is our first breakout to the upside. You see. What if we are waiting? We just this is daily time frame. So let's just take the trade from here. Let's wait. That's why we have to learn how to do what? Break down our checking list. Take it down to 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, even 15 minutes safe to be more safer. So that's that. So now we spotted our most recent daily breakout there. So what do? We go to 4 hours time frame to check if it is aligned with what we are actually watching out for. Now you can see something here. Now watch closely. Definitely I will definitely go to the line chart to definitely check what is going on. You get? So we got a 2 key zone here. We got an A-shaped key level here, which I was actually watching out for. We got an A-shaped key level there. We got a V-shaped key level that was disrespected twice. See this V-shaped key level? Don't play with it when you are going up, when you are pushing the pressure to the upside. Now this A-shaped key level got disrespected once. It's not that guy. This A-shaped key level, the both are valid. Once the market is in your zone, your key level. Your own is to look for, go down and go one time frame lower to look for your confirmation entry. So that's that. Let's go to the candlestick. Now you can see closely that market did not tap at that place. Let's check 3 hours, because we can also spot out another, excuse me, we can also spot out another breakout at this place also. But I think I need to go to 3 hours time frame to observe something. Now this were the key, this was the present present key level at that time. This one and this one. I think this one has not formed yet. Or that I was actually paying attention to these two, this one and this other one. Now I went down to 3 hours time frame. I think I spotted out something here. After the market actually reacted from this key level, this one, because this is also another A-shaped key zone. Now remember, it's not that this one is not valid or this one is not valid. But all these zones here are valid. Your own is to what? Wait. This is where you need to be stable. Like, you need to calm down. This does not call for what we call aggression. This does not call for aggression. You say you can't see something like this, you can't say, okay, assuming you set your buy limit here now, you want to take it aggressively. Or you see now, or this side too. Okay, you tell me that you want to set 3 you want to place 3 order here. No, you know the possible now. But some people feel they don't will place the 3 of them, then they will end up losing their account. So look at the zone that we are actually paying attention to. This zone, that was what we were actually paying attention to. You can see where the market is reacting from. So we are not just diving into this market because the market was reacting at a V-shape, an A-shaped key level from 3 hours time frame. No. We'll do what? Go one time frame lower to observe. Wait till they play. If you even check this 3 hours time frame itself, because I think my entry was around this place. But first of all, just watch another breakout. Who is this guy? You calm down. So now, if we go to the line chart, definitely we have actually spotted the first zone which the market was actually reacting from. And you can see that this one, the market also reacted at this zone. But let's take it gradually. Let's work with the first one first. So now, if we are going one frame lower to check what the chart is actually doing, you can see now clearly that now you see this one was still valid and this one. But let's work out something here. There's something here that we are not seeing here. So we are not seeing anything clear here. We are not seeing any confirmation entry here. But we actually go one time frame lower. If we do not see something here, then we will have to come to this side, this other zone, so that key level. Now let's go down to 1 hour time frame. What are we seeing in 1 hour time frame? What are we seeing in 1 hour time frame? What are we seeing in 1 hour time frame? You can spot out there an A-shaped key level. Sorry for the noise. You can spot out an A-shaped key level here, and also a V-shaped key level. Just calm down. We'll get to the root of all these things. We'll definitely get to the root of this USDJPY. So that's why you have to be calm, like no rush. These ones now are key zones, but why is the market reacting from here? You see now. So these are things that we don't need to be rush. Those who don't know say this thing will stop. We have to be careful. That's why if you know say the money where you take fund, now your last card. I'm not talking about psychology, but you just, is it that you rest if you cannot bear, if you cannot risk, if you cannot keep that fear in you, guy, rest. I will just tell you that, because you disturbing yourself, it will only hurt you and you can't regret that kind of thing. So let's continue. That's not what we are talking about here. So Let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. I think I got everything for 30 minutes time frame. Yes, this was what I saw. Then I was like, oh more, this one safe, eh? You don't need all those ones for up again. But we'll go to that side too. So now I saw this thing immediately. Show me, I screenshot and I see the trade there, shooting over there. It's crashing over body. So I sent it at our in my group, Telegram, my Telegram channel. So this was it. Remember CRT formation. Swept that one. Swept that. Got a sweep, and this eye was still standing. Remember, our final eye was still up, but no, my final target was that main target that was above, not this one. Remember, this one was the key level from 3 hours time frame. So this was it. This target was my target. So we're actually taking this trade from actually this zone. So and I'll take profit was there. I think this thing to profit around which time, so I think in the evening time. Then our ISL will be above this week. You can see sweet what 7 hours. You get this one for beginning of the week. As the week self still hard like this self, it's okay for you. Let's check if we will see another entry above. Then if we did not see any entry above, depending on the strategy that I'm trading, we have to rest. So let me see, go back to 1 hour. Let me check something. Remember we got where that guy was actually at. There was a key level here, remember. So I think I'm not seeing anything yet. But assuming the market was reacting from this on this tick, was reacting from here. Could have been clearer. Let's check. Let's go down to 15 minutes. Yes, we'll sleep here today. But I don't want this video to be long too. Now you can see spot at another CRT here. You can see another CRT at this place. But this one's safe, eh? If you first of all miss that one, let's say this side, this one, this zone, this place. First of all, the market, you will just be waiting. That is why candle close don't matter. Candle close don't matter. Now we got a what? A V-shaped key level. Market was actually reacting on a V-shaped key level. Then this eye was still standing. I don't want this video to be long. This eye was still standing. You can see. What do you want here again? What do you want? Let me check 15 minutes time if there was anything. Because me, I did not even bother to come to this side. After that first move, it was okay for me. That one alone was okay for me. But based on this, we have to go down to checking it. I think another one is also over here. If you are finding this one difficult now, watch the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that the 15 minutes time frame is also doing same thing that what the higher time frame are also doing. Watch this now on the 15 minutes time frame. If you are afraid of this one now, okay, you got a key level from. If you check the line charts, to be clearer. It will be clearer there. It's my tongue, eh? Now you can see the V-shaped key level. Now go to your candlestick. Now what do you see here now? You can see a CRT formation there. Now one thing I always say is that before you be able to get to understand the charts, you must what? Become a candlestick. For me, and it's working. If you cannot interact with your candlestick, with your chart, talk to your chart, say alpha IB. Okay, this zone now that I'm marking now. Where is this market coming from? Why am I picking this zone? Are you getting it? So don't be waiting to the rush. Why am I picking this zone? First of all, why am I picking this zone? If I pick this zone, it will work, I be no go work. You spot out your zones, no be to the rush, no be because you're okay. Yeah, that sometimes. Once, see now, there was one thing that I was actually checking out. Once you are on a downtrend, it's not all the time that you'll be expecting CRT to work for you, CRT formation entry model to work for your formation. It's not every time. Imagine you now going with this trade now, we are on a bullish momentum, then you're now looking for what CRT. I don't even see one I want to show yourself. I don't know why this thing enter my mouth, but I gotta talk am. Because I feel no remember talk am again. Now your SL will just be above here. But don't know, we're not going to go 15 minutes time, 5 minutes time frame. With the reason as you don't want to go use us do liquidity, that kind of thing. The fear, that one's FD. But some people, they can't imagine, see now. They are just taking this one now. This one do, if you miss the first one, miss the second one. This third one, if you miss the third one again, they will go find what they push you. Now you can see something here now. I think there's 2 years. You can see this one now. Look at this low. Then that high was still standing. You can see what I'm talking about now. Now we are on a bullish trend. It's not that this thing, no, the sweet. How did they call it? This thing, how did they call it? To define says when will they buy, but calm down. Why are you looking for the sale? That's the first question. Why you define the sale? So you have to be careful, RG. So family, I think we'll be stopping here. Please, if you find this helpful, please do it to like, subscribe, and enjoy my Telegram channel. God bless you all. Thank you.